If you're looking for a high-tech, high-performance blender that can handle all your blending needs, then you might want to check out the Vitamix A2300 Ascent. As you're about to find out in my Vitamix A2300 review, this smart blender packs a punch with its professional-grade features and sleek design. The A2300 offers variable speed control and a pulse function, giving you precise control over your blends. Its built-in wireless connectivity adjusts blending times based on the container size you're using. Plus, the digital timer helps you achieve perfect textures for all your recipes. The 64-ounce low-profile container is great for family-sized meals and fits nicely under most kitchen cabinets. You'll love how versatile this blender is. It can whip up smoothies, hot soups, nut butters, and even frozen desserts. Vitamix is known for durability, and the A2300 is no exception. It's built to last up to 10 times longer than average blenders while packing in way more features. While it's not the quietest blender, the A2300's performance more than makes up for it. You can take control of your blending experience with the A2300's versatile speed settings. You can fine-tune textures to your liking, whether you're whipping up smooth smoothies or chunky salsas. The Pulse feature adds another layer of precision, letting you create perfect consistency for hearty soups and sauces. And with 10 speed options at your fingertips, you'll have the power to craft everything from silky purees to chunky dips. Similarly, the built-in digital timer is a handy addition, taking the guesswork out of manual blending. With the Vitamix Ascent Series A2300, you'll achieve spot-on results every time, no matter what you're making. The A2300 Ascent takes blending to the next level with its smart features. You'll love how the motor base automatically adjusts blending times based on the container size you're using. This means you can mix up small batches or big family portions without guesswork. The blender even pairs with a smartphone app, giving you access to 17 programs and over 500 recipes. You'll never run out of blending ideas. Plus, the built-in digital timer helps you nail the perfect texture every time. No more overblending or underprocessing your creations. Ever wished you could walk away from your blender without worrying about overprocessing? The built-in digital timer on this smart blender has got you covered. You can set it to run for exactly the time needed, then let it do its thing while you prep other ingredients. No more guesswork or hovering, just precise blending every time. The clear display makes it easy to keep an eye on the countdown, which is especially handy for recipes that require specific blending durations. The spacious 64-ounce container enables you to whip up large batches of smoothies, soups, or sauces in one go, perfect for meal prep or entertaining. The low-profile design fits easily under most kitchen cabinets, saving you valuable counter space. With clear markings on the side, you'll find measuring ingredients a breeze. The wide base allows ingredients to circulate freely, ensuring a consistent blend every time. You'll appreciate the convenience of the spill-proof lid with a removable plug for adding ingredients mid-blend. You'll be impressed by the sheer force this Vitamix brings to your kitchen. The A2300 packs a punch with its robust motor, effortlessly blending tough ingredients into silky smoothies. Its 10-speed control lets you fine-tune textures from chunky salsas to velvety soups. The stainless steel blades make quick work of ice and frozen fruits. While it's not the quietest blender, the smooth blending results speak volumes. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons. The powerful motor crushes even the toughest ingredients. The variable speed control for precise texture customization. The built-in wireless connectivity adjusts blending times automatically. The digital timer helps achieve perfect results. The low-profile container fits under most kitchen cabinets. The durable construction built to last. Now for the cons. The noise level can be quite high during operation. It's relatively expensive compared to basic blenders. The plastic container may concern some users despite its durability. Cleaning under the blades can be tricky at times, but this goes for any blender, to be honest. As any Vitamix A2300 review will tell you, Users love the Vitamix A2300's powerful performance. You'll appreciate its ability to blend smoothies to silky perfection without any chunks or need for straining. The durable build impresses many as well, with a sturdy base and thick plastic container that feels built to last. While it's not the quietest blender, the results are worth it. You'll find it versatile enough for everything from morning smoothies to homemade soups, and even grinding tough ingredients for Indian dishes. The included recipe booklet is a nice bonus to spark your culinary creativity. Overall, despite the higher price point, customers feel the investment pays off in the long run, with many reporting years of reliable daily use. Keeping your A2300 clean is a breeze. After each use, fill the container halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap. Secure the lid and run the blender on high for 30-60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and air dry. For stubborn residue, blend warm water and a bit of baking soda. The self-cleaning feature makes maintenance quick and easy. Don't forget to wipe down the base with a damp cloth. For deep cleaning, remove the blade assembly and wash separately. You'll be hard-pressed to find a more capable kitchen companion than the Vitamix A2300. This powerhouse blender tackles everything from smoothies to soups with ease. Its sturdy build and durable container speak to its quality, while the versatile performance justifies the investment. Sure, it's not the quietest machine, but the silky smooth results are worth it if you have the budget available. The included recipe booklet sparks culinary creativity, encouraging you to explore new blending horizons. The A2300's efficiency and ease of use make it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game, the Vitamix A2300 is a solid bet.